Are you feeling overwhelmed and overstimulated by the crowds in Kyoto? Do you need some time surrounded by nature? Well, you should absolutely head to Maruyama Park. Maruyama Park is surrounded by shrines and temples in Gion. The park has several entrances, but the main entrance is actually through Yasaka Shrine. To the north there is two smaller temples, Gion-in and Shiran-in, and you can also walk from Maruyama Park to Kiyomizudera and Kodaji Temple. One thing we did see was a lot of cats near the southern end of Maruyama Park. While there was a community group looking after some of the cats and feeding them and making sure that they were fine, but I would not recommend feeding them if you aren't familiar with them. That said, if the cats like your vibe, they will come up to you and sort of rub against you, so that's cool. The other thing you will notice when you walk around Maruyama Park is that there is plenty of seating, which can be difficult to find in Kyoto. So if it's getting close to lunchtime or you need a bit of a break, it would actually be a smart idea to go to a konbini before you head to Maruyama Park and have a quick lunch here, or afternoon tea or morning tea. It's just a really great place to just sit and chill and be away from all the crowds. Just remember to take your rubbish with you. So, you may be wondering how to get to Maruyama Park. The best way is to take a bus, either the number 100 or the 206, and get off at Gion bus stop. However, you should note that the buses in Kyoto are in high demand all day, and that demand only grows on the weekend, especially Sundays. So if you can walk or get a taxi, I highly recommend doing that. Maruyama Park was previously known as Makuzugahara and was known as a place of waka poems, a form of poetry that is known for using a syllabic structure of 5s and 7s during the Kamakura period. And whilst we were deep into the autumn period when we visited in November last year, you gain a sense of understanding as to why poets would go there to be inspired. Not just by the parklands itself, but the surrounding nature that adds this awe-inspiring backdrop to it. During the Meiji Restoration, the park was renamed to Maruyama Park and declared to be the oldest park in the city of Kyoto. As I said earlier, we visited Maruyama Park during November, but I would highly recommend visiting during April when the cherry trees are in full bloom. The park is one of Kyoto's most popular and most crowded spots for cherry blossom viewing parties, but even when we visited during autumn, the cherry blossom trees, even though they were bare, were very popular with the visitors. Maruyama Park is also open of an evening, and the same night that we went to Yasaka Shrine, we walked through the park as well. There was obviously not as many people there when we were walking through during the day, but the park is well lit and I felt quite safe walking through. If you're a Pokemon fan, near the pond there is a Poké Lid featuring Pichu, Cleffa and Igglybuff playing in front of a cherry blossom tree, which is adorable. Maruyama Park is a nice peaceful escape of the hustle and bustle of the crowds of Kyoto, and it is one that I highly recommend you visit if you're visiting any of the shrines or temples in the area, or even if you're just in Gion for the day. Have you ever been to Maruyama Park? If so, let me know in the comments below. If you want to check out more of our Japan videos, check out the playlist that's linked, and thanks for watching.